here regarding the subsets. So phi is one of the subset. Phi is a subset of A, comma, then set consisting only one element, that is 4. So here this set is consisting one element, that is 4. This set is also the subset of the A, that is 4 comma 5, because this set is consisting 4. This element 4 is also present in this set A. Therefore, this set consisting 4 is also the subset of A. And now comma, then set consisting the element 5. So this set which is consisting 5 is also present in this set A, that is 4 comma 5 is also present here. Therefore, this is also the set, comma, then now A itself, that is, so here A consisting 4 comma 5. So A is the subset of A itself, that is according to note number 2. A set A, so here A is subset to A itself. A set is a subset to itself. Then now regarding second one, so whereas here number of sets, so number of subsets, so number of subsets are of 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are of 4 in number. So we can write it as, so here the general form of this formula, general form of finding the number of subsets are of 2 to the power of n. So that equals to, we can write it as, so here number of elements present in it is denoted by n. N is equals to 2, n is equals to 3. So whereas it can be written as 2 to the power of n is equals to 2. So 2 square is of 4 now. So here in this manner, so we got, say here, so 2 square, its value is of, so here there are of 4 in number, there are of 4 subsets, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Similarly, say in the second regard, so here in the second set, that is B equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3, so n equals to 3, there are of 3 elements here, so 1, 2 and 3. So number of elements present in this particular set B are of 3. They are of, phi is a subset, that is empty set is a subset of every set, that is B, comma, then now set consisting only one say element, that is 1 is also the subset of B, because this set is consisting 1 which is also present in this set B, comma, set consisting only 2, so here this is also the subset of B, comma, set consisting element 3, so this set is present in this, the elements of this particular set 3 is also present in this particular set B. So therefore this is also the subset of B. Then now let us take two elements at a time. So 1 comma 2, so 1 comma 2, so set consisting 2 elements, these 2 elements are also present in this particular set B as 1, 2, 3. Therefore this is the subset of set B. Similarly 2 comma 3, so 2 comma 3, this set is consisting elements, 2 elements, that is 2 comma 3, they are also the elements of this set B, therefore this set is also the subset of set B. Then now comma, the third and the first, so here 3 comma 1, these are also the elements, so here this set is consisting 2 elements, that is 3 comma 1, they are also present in this particular set B, that is 1, 2, 3, they are also present here. Therefore this set is subset to this set, that is B. Then now let us take all the elements, or in other words we can take as a set B itself. So here B is a subset of B itself. So every set is a subset to itself. Then now let us count the number of subsets here. So in the previous, so number of subsets in this regard are of, formula is of 2 to the power of n, then that is equals to 2 to the power of, whereas n is equals to here 3 in this case. So here therefore 3, then that is equals to 2 cube, that is 2 into 2 into 2, that is equals to 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 must be the number of subsets. Let us count here. 1, 5 is also one of the subset. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So there are of 8 subsets. Hence, if there are of n elements present in a set, then the number of subsets will be given by means of the formula, that is 2 to the power of n. So here if there are n elements in a set, then number of elements or number of subsets of that set is given by means of 2 to the power of n. Then now let us consider proper subsets. So in this regard, so here set B is consisting only 2 elements, that is 4, 5. So set B is consisting 2, 5. So here number of elements. So n is equals to there are of 2. Then now proper subsets. So proper subsets are of. So here we have to consider. So 5 is one of the subset. Then now element set consisting only 4 is also the subset of this B, set B. Then now set consisting only 5 is also the subset of this set B. Then now we should not take the B, we should not take the set B as the subset of B. So except that, so we have to take the remaining. So here the number of subsets are of 3. So here, so number of proper subsets, number of proper subsets is given by means of the formula 2 to the power of n minus 1, then that is equals to 2 to the power of n is of 2 minus 1, that is equals to 2 square values of 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. So there are of 3 in number. So in this manner, so here if there are of n elements in a set, then number of subsets. So here number of proper subsets of the set is equals to 2 to the power of n minus 1. Then now next one, that is the power set. The set consisting of all subsets of the given set A will be called as a power set. So, here the set containing of all the subsets of given set A is called the power set of that particular A. So, here symbolically it is denoted by, so here symbolically it is denoted by, since it is the power set, so it is denoted by P of A. So, here number of elements present in that so here in case if set contain n elements, then number of elements in power set is equals to 2 to the power of n. So, we can get the number of elements present in that power set by means of the formula, that is 2 to the power of n.